Put it out front. Throw it here. Show the lemon. Now stand back. Hold the lemon out with your hand. Say, for $1 you can eat this whole lemon.
$1, I'm gonna eat this whole lemon.
Okay.
Ah!
Oh. Drink water, quick.
Take it on!
Turn that faucet off. Faster. Use the cup. Turn the faucet off. Sorry, guy, but you failed the test. You do not get the $1. Do not pass go. Do not collect $1.
That's better. I'll try it again. The last lemon I'm ever eating.
Go ahead, take a big bite out of it. Chew it all up good. Good. Tasty.
Not bad. I ate it.
Lemon's good for you.
I ate it. Do I get the $1?
Yeah, you failed the test.
I ate it!
No, you didn't.
I did too.
Yeah, you spit it out.
I did not!
Bring it over here, let me see.
Fine.
No?
I have to eat the skin.
Maybe.
This.
Yeah, that'd be really hard on your belly.
Dad, don't make me eat that. You make me sick.
Really? I'll give you 25 cents for just eating the flesh.
No! It's not fair! Dad, you promised me $1.
You ate the whole lemon, that was the deal.
Dad, I can't eat this. This will make me sick.
No.
Yes, it will. Dad. Dad, that is bad to eat.
Some people eat it.
Not me. Dad, look right here.
Yeah.
This is finished. You said this finished.
Alright, come and get your 25 cents.
Dad! Dad, it's no fair!
My time.